Hi everybody, Natalia at OutstandingCrochet.com. In this video I would like to show you a method for making your last slip stitch in round invisible. So here I'm finishing last round of my motif and I'm about to make last single crochet. So what we would normally do to make last slip stitch, I would insert hook from right side in both loops of first single crochet. Here I started my round with chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and this is my first single crochet. So I insert hook in both loops of that stitch, yarn over, draw yarn through all loops and hook, and fasten off. Simple, but that creates this part here which does not blend in, right? So, and the problem with the motifs, if you join them as you go, if you join this side where you have that slip stitch, you might not count stitches correctly in this part. So let's unravel it. And I will show you the method I've been using, another method for invisible slip stitch. It's somewhat invisible, let's say. So I made last single crochet, I turn to wrong side, and I insert hook in the, well, for now it's front loop for me, but if I'm on the right side, this is the back loop of that first single crochet. So I insert my hook only in that loop. I pick up that last loop after last single crochet, and I draw that loop through the back loop and fasten off. So this is the method I've been using for some time in some of my patterns. It gives you a better result, but still there's something going on here. Not perfect, right? So let's unravel it again. And I will show you the method I just recently found, and I think it's great and gives you beautiful result, and it doesn't involve too many steps, so relatively easy to make. So I made my last single crochet and I just draw that loop. I cut yarn and I just draw that loop up until the end comes out. Now this is my first single crochet, 2 loops of it. I insert my hook from right side in both loops and I do yarn over with that tail and draw the tail to right side through both loops. Now this is my last single crochet, 2 loops of it. I insert my hook only in the back loop of that last single crochet, and here you can turn to wrong side to make it easier. Again, yarn over that tail and draw the tail to the wrong side. And now you can weave in that end. And let's look at the edge here. You can see there's uninterrupted chain here. We don't see anything. It looks like continuous work. Doesn't look like we connected something here, right? Very nice looking last round. Thank you for watching.